Good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have seen that the rat trap peddler has stolen the money of the crafter, and he has selected the way of the wood because he was having a suspicion in his mind that if he is going to select the way of public highway, he will be arrested by the police. Okay. The jungle in which the rat trap peddler had entered, this jungle was very deep, dense and confusing forest, and in the starting of the hour everything was too good, but as the day started setting, the situation became very worst, and the rat trap peddler set his mind that he would like to go in a definite direction, but the paths were very twisted, as it was blocked by the thickets, branches, fallen logs, and this jungle was just like that prison from which no one can come outside. Okay, no one can come outside. Just like that forest was, and it was difficult for him to come out of the jungle. Then when he was unable to move anymore, when he was too tired to move anymore, when he was so tired that he could not move anymore, he sat down on the ground and laid on the ground. Then after he heard the continuous thumping sound of the iron of the hammer, he at once understood that this sound is the symbol that there should be man near about. He collected all his power. He went into the direction of the sound. Okay, and the sound was coming from Ramsjo Ironworks. He came at the gate and he opened the gate. There were many sounds, as the falling of the rain, waterfall, and the cracking sound of the charcoal which was being put in the maw of the furnace. Okay, and he opened the gate. The blacksmith and his helper, both of them were waiting. Both of them were sitting on a table, and they are waiting for the iron to be heated, because they have kept the iron in the furnace, and they waited that after heating it they will put it on the anvil and give it a shape. Okay, due to so many sound, they cannot heard the sound that the gate was opened and someone has entered, until the rat trap peddler reached very close to the furnace. Okay, and they saw casually, indifferently, disinterestedly towards rat trap peddler. Okay, and they knew very well that he is a vagabond, and such vagabonds are always attracted by the glow, by the light of the furnace, which goes outside by the sooty panes of the window. Okay, so perhaps he is also a vagabond, and he has come here to make his body warm. Okay, and the blacksmith had not said a single word of honor. Okay, and the tramp means the rat trap peddler also said nothing, because the rat trap peddler had not come here to talk to anyone, but he had come here to make his body warm. Okay, and make his body warm. And the Ramsjo iron mill was owned in those days by a famous iron master, and this iron master has promised from the market to supply a good quality of iron in the market. So he watched both night and day. ठीक ना, he watched both night and day to see whether the work was going properly and or not. And at this moment the iron master had come in his mill to check the work or 90 round inspection, and the iron master has come for the 90 round inspection. Okay, what is going to happen next? Let us try to find out. Okay guys, okay, so the iron master was on the visit to see whether the work was going properly or not. Naturally, okay, see the lines, students. Here are some misprint in the book, not properly printed. Naturally the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin, a person in dirty and torn clothes. Ragamuffin, a person in dirty and torn clothes. Okay, who had seized his way so close to the furnace that steam rose from his wet rags. Okay, so obviously, naturally, the iron master saw the first thing was the right trap peddler who was in a torn and dirty clothes. And this man, means right trap peddler, was standing so close to the furnace that the steam started rising from his wet rags, torn cloths which was wet. The iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmith. Why the writer is saying that the iron master did not follow the example of the blacksmith? Because you people have seen earlier that the blacksmith had not said a single word of honor. Okay, and such thing was not done by the iron master. Okay, so he has not followed the example of blacksmith, who had hardly deigned to look at the stranger, condescended. ठीक है ना, deigned means condescended means कृपा की थी. Okay, and who had hardly deigned to look at the stranger, and the blacksmith had hardly seen towards the right trap peddler. He walked close up to him, looked him over very carefully. The iron master came very close to the right trap peddler, and he looked him very carefully. Okay, he looked him very carefully. Then tore off his slouch hat to get a better view of his face. Okay, slouch hat, a hat with a wide flexible brim. Okay, slouch hat, a hat with a wide flexible brim. Meaning, and the second meaning of the slouch is turn also. Second meaning of the slouch is turn also. And then he tore off his slouch hat. Okay, turn hat. Okay, and to have a better view of his face. Okay, but of course it is you, Nils Olof, he said. How do you look? Okay, here my dear students, you will see that there is a change in the story. Okay, and this iron master is saying or calling him by the name Nils Olof. Oh foe, how you do look? How are you looking? Oh Nils Olof, how are you looking? Okay, means the iron master was surprised to see his face. Okay, so to see his face, his condition, and he called him by the name of Nils Olof and said that, oh Nils Olof, how have you become? How are you looking? The man with the right trap had never before seen the iron master at Ramsjo and did not know even what his name was, and the right trap peddler had never seen to iron master at Ramsjo. Okay, Ramsjo is the name of place, and by that place name, the name of the mill is Ramsjo Iron Mill. Okay, so my dear students, you know very well that The rat trap peddler always used to wander from one place to another place, and he has visited at Ramsjo many times, but he had never seen. He had means who? Means the rat trap peddler had never seen Iron Master at Ramsjo, and he was totally unacquainted about his name. That his name was Nils Olof, and the rat trap peddler was totally unacquainted with his name. That his name was Nils Olof. But it occurred to him that if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance, he might perhaps throw him a couple of kroner. Okay, and then after the idea came in the mind, or you can say the rat trap peddler thought that this man, means this Iron Master, is thinking that I am old familiar to him. I am old familiar to him. If I am going to throw him a couple of kroner, ठीक ना, means to say he is wishing for some help from me. He is wishing for some help for me. He is desiring for some help from me. Therefore, he did not want to undeceive him at once. Okay, therefore he did not have undeceive him at once. This is the reason that he has not at once forbidden him that he did not know him. He had not forbidden him that he did not know him. He had not forbidden. Okay, at once he had not forbidden. Yes, and how he is making the things, you can see that how the peddler is making the things very normal. Yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me. Okay, and he is saying that yes, God knows very well that the work I have done was not beneficial. I have not gotten any benefit from my work. I was not satisfied with my work. Okay, so he is saying that God knows things have gone downhill with me. He said, okay, he said that, oh, my situation has changed. My situation has changed, and this is known by the God. You should not have resigned from the regiment, said the Iron Master. Iron Master said to him that, okay, what is the regiment? A unit of army commanded by a colonel. Okay, a unit of army commanded by a colonel. And the Iron Master is saying that you should not have resigned from your post. You should not have resigned from the regiment. It was said by the Iron Master. That was the mistake. Okay, and Iron Master said, okay, your resignation was the greatest mistake which was made by you. If only I had still been in the service at that time, it never would have been have happened. Okay, and the Iron Master saying that would that kash in Hindi, would that I was in the service at that time, these things had never happened. Well, now of course you will come home with me. And the Iron Master said that what is gone, that is gone. What is happened, that is happened. But now you are coming with me to my house. You are coming to my house to go along to the manor house. To go along to the manor house. Manor master. Okay. To go along to the manor house. Manor house, and received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. That, however, did not please the rat trap. Okay, rat trap did not like this idea to go to the house of this Iron Master, and there he will be welcomed. He will be welcomed as an old friend. He will be welcomed as an old friend. He did not like this idea. Okay, once again, the Iron Master did not like this idea to go to the house of the Iron Master, and there he will be welcomed as an old regimental friend. This idea was not liked by the rat trap peddler. No, I could not, I think of it. I could not. He said, no, I could not think of it. He said, looking quite alarmed. Okay, and he was very alarmed, attentive, alert. Okay, he was very alert. Who was very alert? Who was very alert? The rat trap peddler was very alert, and he said, no, I could not think of it. Means I don't want to come with you to your house. He thought of the 30 kroner, and rat trap peddler was thinking about his 30 corner. To go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself violently into the lion's den. Okay, and he knew very well that if I am going to the house to the iron master, it seems it is just like as I am throwing myself into the den of a lion. Den of a lion. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away as inconspicuously as possible. Okay, sneak away, run away in a stealthy manner. Run away in a stealthy manner मतलब चोर की तरह. In Hindi that is called चोर की तरह. Okay, inconspicuously without being seen by anyone. Okay, without being seen by anyone. Okay, and the rat trap peddler wanted to sleep near the furnace, and then after he wanted to run away from there just like a thief. Okay, without being seen by anyone or without saying anything to anyone. Okay, the iron master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. Okay, and the iron master thought that perhaps he is thinking about his clothes. His condition are very miserable, his condition are very pitiable, his clothings are very torn, he is in the rags, embarrassed. This is the reason that he is embarrassed, perplexed. Okay, the iron master thought that perhaps this man is perplexed only due to his clothes, his torn clothes, his rags. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you could not show yourself there, he said. And the iron master said to the rat trap peddler, or the iron master said, please don't think that I am having a very good house and you cannot come there. Okay, iron master said to the rat trap peddler, please don't think that I am having a very fine house, good home where you cannot come. Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard, and also told that my wife Elizabeth is dead. Perhaps you have heard, you will have heard about that. My boys are abroad and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter. Okay, and also inform that his sons are settled in abroad. And he is living with his daughter in his house. Okay, he is living with his daughter in his house. We were just saying that it was too bad we did not have any company for the Christmas, and also told to the rat trap peddler, also informed to the rat trap peddler that my daughter was saying that it is too bad for us that we are not having any friend, any guest, any company to celebrate Christmas this year. Now come along with me and help us to make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. Okay, and he again requested to the rat trap peddler. The iron master again requested to the rat trap peddler, please come with me and we will celebrate the Christmas. We will celebrate the Christmas all together. But the stranger said no, no, and again no. The iron master saw that he must give in. Okay, and the request of the iron master was not accepted by the rat trap peddler. He said no, no, and no. Okay, he said no, no, and no, and the iron master had seen that he cannot force the man to come his house with him. Okay, but he laughed to himself. Okay, but okay, let us see. It looks as though, but the stranger said no, no. The stranger has rejected the proposal of the iron master. Okay, and the iron master had said nothing more. And it looks as though Captain Van Stahel preferred to stay with you tonight, Sturge Storm, he said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. Okay, Sturge Storm is the name of the blacksmith, and he said to the blacksmith that perhaps my friends want to stay with you. Okay, and he said these words to the master blacksmith, and he went from there. Okay, and he went from there. But he laughed to himself as he went away. The blacksmith, who understood very well that he had not said his last word. Okay, but while the iron master was going, he was laughing. He was laughing. Okay, and the blacksmith knew his master very well. That this is not the last word which was spoken by his master. Okay, once again. But he laughed to himself. While the iron master was going, he was laughing. Okay, and the blacksmith, who knew him, understood very well that he had not said his last word. And the blacksmith knew his master very well, and he also knew that this is not the last word of his master. Okay guys, here are some questions which is given. And we will discuss about the question answer. Okay, think as you read. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day. After this we will discuss about the question answer which is given here. Think as you read. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.